All set and ready to race, and Giraffe. Early lead is taken by Physiotherapies by the Rail. Moving up on the outside is Grace Park Boy, and Bootleg moving up in between horses, and Lady Diamond. Heading for the backstretch, Physiotherapies, Bootleg moving up on the outside, Lady Diamond in between horses, and here comes Grace Park Boy moving up on the outside, Harbor Magic, and Cotton the Act. Into the back stretch, it's Physiotherapist. And moving up on the outside is Bootleg and Lady Diamond. Bootleg, Lady Diamond, by the Rail, Physiotherapist, Harbor Magic, Grace Park Boy, and Cotton Diak. And nearing the pattern, Lady Diamond in the lead. And moving up on the outside is Harbor Magic, Bootleg, and Physiotherapist by the Rail, and Grace Park Boy. And rounding the pattern, the lead is taken over now by Harbor Magic on the outside, Lady Diamond, Cotton Diak moving up in between horses, and Physiotherapist moving up on the inside. But it's still entry number 4, Harbor Magic in the lead, followed by Physiotherapist by the Rail, and Grace Park Boy on the outside, Cotton Diak. The last bend for home, it's Harbor Magic, Grace Park Boy moving up on the further outside, and Physiotherapist by the Rail. Harbor Magic in between horses by the Rail, Physiotherapist, and Grace Park Boy on the further outside, Cotton Diak, and Bootleg. But it's still Harbor Magic in the lead, Physiotherapist, and Grace Park Boy on the further outside. But it's still Harbor Magic in the lead, followed by Grace Park Boy. And finally, at the payoff line, Harbor Magic, Grace Park Boy, Bootleg, Cotton Diak, Physiotherapist, Lady Diamond.